Hello friends, I am Vipul Patel. Today I teach rule of the round of number. Friends, now we have three rules for round off. First rule, if insignificant digit to drop is less than 5, the number is kept unchanged. Suppose I give one example. Suppose we have one number 1.233. Okay? In this number, now we have four significant number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Suppose now we want to write in three significant number. So last number is, look here, 3. And 3 is a less than 5. So suppose now we remove this number. So here we write down 1.23. And in this number now we have three significant digit. But suppose now we convert into only for two significant digit. So again, first, second and third, three significant. So these three number now we want to remove. Means we can write down 1.2. Okay. So here last number is less than 5. So the number is kept unchanged. Okay, 3 are unchanged as it is as well. Second, if in the significant digit to be dropped is more than 5, the preceding digit is raised by 1. Suppose, now we show one example, 2.347. Okay, in this number now we have four significant number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Suppose now we want to convert only for three significant digit and last number is a more than 5. Okay, so now we remove this number rising by 1. Okay, means 2.35. 4 plus 1 means 2.35. Okay, another example, 8.899. 8.889. Okay, so this 9 now we want to remove. So 8.89 means 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. Third rules. If significant digit is 5, following convention is followed. If the preceding digit is even, the significant digit is simply drop. Look here one example, 2.745. Okay, here last number is a 5. Suppose here four significant number. Now we want to convert into three significant digit. So this 5 is removed. Okay, but here 4 is a even number. 4 is a even number. So it is as it is, means is rounded off the three significant figure becomes 2.74. Okay. If the preceding digit is odd, it is increased by 1. Look here, 2.735. Okay, here also four significant digit. Last number is 5. Now we remove it. So now we add here odd means number of odd 3 plus 1. So round up to 3 significant digit become 2.74. Friends, all these rules are very important for example. And now we show some example. Friends, two example. Look here first 2.13. Each side of a cube is measured to be 7.203 meter. What are the total surface area and volume of the cube to appropriate significant figure? Okay. So friends, look here, length L is available 7.203. Okay. And in this number now we have 4 significant digit. Okay, 4 significant figure. So first of all, now we want to find the surface area of cube. Okay. So first of all, formula for area is equal to length into breadth. And for cube, length, breadth and height are same. Okay. And this cube has 6 sides. So now we want to find out total surface area. Okay. So multiply by 6 means 6 L cross B means length and breadth both are same for cube. Okay. So here total area is equal to 6 L into B, otherwise 6 L square. Okay. So value of L is 7.203 whole square. Okay. We calculate this value. Now the number is 311.299254. Okay. But look here, length have only for 4 significant figure. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So now we round off 311.2. Okay. Means here remove all these significant. And now we want to find volume. So volume is equal to L cube. Here L is equal to 7.203 whole cube. Okay. Now we calculate. Three 71374754. Okay. So again now we convert into 4 significant digit. So answer is 373.7. Okay. 4 significant figures. Next 2.14. 5.74 gram of a substance occupies 1.2 centimeter cube. Express its density by keeping the significant figure in view. Okay, friends, what is the formula of density? Density is equal to mass upon volume. Okay. So now we want to find out density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass is available 5.74 and its volume is 1.2. Okay, here mass have 3 significant digit and volume have only 2 significant digit. So first of all, now we calculate. .78333. Okay, but look here, mass have 3 significant figures, volume have 2 significant figures, so our answer is 4.7. Why? Because here minimum significant figure are 2, so our answer is also minimum significant number. So answer is 4.7 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, thanks.